Friends, in today's video, we will talk about Tron Astral. First of all, we will talk about the profile of Tron Astral. So you can see here, this is the 100% decentralized system and based on Tron blockchain. If we talk about history of currency, so I hope you know that it was 1600 BC. Pupils used to run the water system. That time, pupils used to get their works done by revenge of the objects, revenge of the things. I know you well know about water system. After that, time change and the currencies start with the coins. The way people completed their work through coins and currencies. Day by day, history of currencies has changed, and with the time, we have seen the notes, we have seen the plastic money, we have seen the online payments. As per the time when we have accepted the rest all system, we have learned to use. And if we talk about the present time, then it is the era of cryptocurrency. Everyone wants to more crypto coins to save their wallets. Cryptocurrency is an emerging system. We all know about that. Now this is the time to understand that how to use crypto coins, how to buy, how to sell, and learn how to work on it. Let's say names. You all know about BTC, you all know about Ethereum, and third generation is Tron. And this is the Tron based system. If we talk about Tron, then it is a emerging cryptocurrency. This is our future wealth. And if we talk about transaction, so where there is only 2 to 3 transaction per second on BTC, and next you can check here Ethereum transaction only 20 to 25 per second. In the same way, you can check here Tron transaction are seen on the 2000 transaction per second. So somewhere Tron is our future wealth. You can also check the partnership with Tron, and in next slide you can see here profile of Tron Astral. That is 100% decentralized and digital platform that's fully safe and secure because there is no any admin, no any owner. It's fully blockchain based system. Every transaction will be verified here, and 100% peer-to-peer system you will see here. And the special thing about Tron Astral is that as the rate of Tron keeps up and down, so here this concept fixed with the dollars. This is the plus point of the system because no matter how high the Tron rate goes, it will not have any effect on the business plan because joining amount calculate with dollars only. On the date of the joining, $30 is equal to 250 Tron, then you will join with 250 Tron. If the rate high and $30 is equal to 200 Tron, so you have to spend only 200 Tron. Simply for joining, you have to invest $30 only, no matter Tron rate is high or low. If $30 is equal to 50 Tron, $30 is equal to 150 or 250 Tron, no matter here. And in next slide, if we talk about business plan, so the system follows the principle of 2x8 binary gully system. All entries placed from top to bottom, left to right is. There is total 8 levels that will fill with 2 into 2 structure, and easily you can earn here unlimited dollars, unlimited Tron according to business plan. And if we talk about joining amount, so very affordable joining amount here. You can easily join with $30 only, and every and each direct referral will pay you 100% direct sponsor income, and you can introduce unlimited direct referral. There is no any foundation by the system. You can see in the table there is total 8 levels. When any member join with $30, member automatic placed in level 1. Only 2 members will count in level 1. Your other introduced member will placed in second to 8th level in 2 into 2 matrix. You can check here second column. See your level 1 by 2 members total turnover is $60, and $40 out of $60 upgrade your second level. So your first level income is $20 only. Now see your second level, only 4 member will count here with $40. So total turnover is $160, and $60 out of $160 upgrade your third level. You save total $100 in your second level. And if you see distribution, so it's clear here. 50% receive sponsor upline means $76, and 50% receive placement upline, same amount $76, and 5% admin charges deduct from every level. Next, in third level in 2 into 2 matrix, 8 members placed here with $60. Total turnover count here $480, and $200 out of $480 upgrade your fourth level. Total income save here $280. In the same way, all levels work here. Total turnover calculate here 2 crore 79 lakhs $23,900 and income save 2 crore 78 lakhs $3,100. Sponsor receive 50%, placement upline receive 50%, same amounts you can check here. Next I will explain global community. So when your fourth level upgrade with $200 after cross first, second and third level, then you will see first matrix button on your dashboard, that's smart matrix button. You will enter here with $100. There is total 2 levels that works with 3 into 3 matrix. In first level 3 members globally count here. Total turnover is $300 and $200 out of $300 automatic upgrade your second level. You save $100 in your first level and second level you globally receive total $1,800 by 9 members. No any deduction here and no any upgradation here. You save total $1,900 in first matrix. One more thing friends, your next level automatic upgrade here and last 5 transaction cut off for silver matrix. Next matrix button is silver matrix. When your fourth level complete and fifth level upgrade with $500, then you will see silver matrix button. Same work here, you enter with $500 and globally your first level income is $500. Second level will pay you $9,000. Total income $9,500 you will collect here. That is your passive income, or we can say it's your non-working income. And last 4 transaction cut off for gold matrix. When your fifth level complete and sixth level upgrade with $4,000, then your gold matrix open here. You enter with $2,000 and your total income is $38,000. And last 4 transaction cut off for royal matrix button. Here you enter with $8,000 and your total profit you save here $1,52,000. Next diamond matrix button, you enter with $40,000 and globally you will earn here $7,60,000. Next crown matrix, that is last matrix button, you enter with $2 lakh and you save here $38 lakhs. Total global community income if we count here is $47,61,400. That is very big amount for you. And one more thing friends, Tron Astral re-enter your ID after crown matrix, means once you enter in Tron Astral you will earn here again and again because of re-enter system. 5% reduction of all metrics and every day 3% collection distribute to top 10 best leaders, 2% carry forward for next day. 100% direct sponsor income I already explained here. So friends, here I explain complete business plan of Tron Astral. I hope you like this video, and if you are interested, want to join, please contact on WhatsApp number which given in description box.